Hello, I am Scott Nunley, Air Force Fitness Program Manager at the Air Force Personnel Center, Services Directorate, Fitness and Sports Section. Welcome to the Air Force Fitness and Sports Program Briefing. The purpose of this training is not intended to make you an expert, but rather provide you with a good overview of this topic. During this presentation, I will cover the following topics: fitness and sports overall role in the mission readiness, various funding categories associated with fitness and sports centers, DOD MWR Standards, fitness and sports center staff duties and responsibilities, programming and equipment standards, and safety responsibilities. Fitness is an Air Force way of life, and the Force Support Squadron is one of the lead organizations promoting fitness at our bases. It is incumbent on FSS leadership to lead the Force Support Squadron from the front by promoting healthy lifestyles beginning with their own. Fitness is a commander's program. The effects of a robust fitness program include mental and physical health maintenance, strengthened immune system, high energy levels, stress relief, and effective job performance. The goal of the Air Force Fitness Program is to motivate all members to participate in a year-round physical conditioning program that emphasizes total fitness, to include proper aerobic conditioning, strength training, flexibility, and healthy eating. Commanders and supervisors must incorporate fitness into the Air Force culture by establishing an environment for members to maintain physical fitness and health to meet mission requirements. The fitness assessment provides commanders with a tool to assist in the determination of overall fitness in their military personnel. There are three funding categories. The first, Category A, includes core fitness and sports as required for mission sustainment. The Air Force goal is 100% appropriated fund support where authorized in Category A activities. For example, the cardiovascular equipment in the fitness center is funded by appropriated funds. The second, Category B funding, is utilized for fitness and sports programs above the core standard. Category B activities are supported with both appropriated and non-appropriated funds. For example, a fitness center may charge a nominal fee for a yoga class. The fee covers the contract for the instructor and is considered non-appropriated funds. However, the yoga mats and blocks that the students use are purchased with appropriated funds. Finally, Category C encompasses strictly revenue-generating activities such as vending and resale services. Category C activities must function with the use of non-appropriated funds only. Examples include the juice and smoothie operations found in some Air Force fitness centers. The two-tiered mission of the Air Force Fitness and Sports is to support unit commanders' fitness programs and to provide core fitness and sports programs to all authorized users. Supporting the unit commander fitness program entails coordinating with unit physical training leaders, providing fitness improvement programs, and on-site interactive customer service with equipment and facility orientations. As Force Support leaders, military and civilian, you must establish a vision, enforce the standards, and lead your team to conduct a successful fitness operation in accordance with the Air Force mission. The DOD MWR Standards relate to the master processes, personnel, facilities, programs, and equipment, and are discussed in the next few slides. This annual suspense is completed on a DoD-created spreadsheet at the base level and sent to the AFPC Services Directorate, where they are then compiled into one Air Force report and coordinated through Air Force A1 to the Deputy Undersecretary of Defense. The Air Force Fitness Program contains 4 master processes as defined in the AFI. Today I'll cover 3 of those processes. This section describes the core positions, identifies qualifications, and specifies training requirements for fitness staffs. There are 4 main duty positions in the fitness center. They are the Fitness and Sports Manager, Operations Manager, Fitness Program Manager, and Sports Program Manager. The Fitness and Sports Manager is responsible for the entire Fitness and Sports Center and any additional FSS-owned fitness facilities. They assign and manage all duty positions. This person should be very knowledgeable and familiar with all duties, tasks, and responsibilities. The operations manager is responsible for front desk operations, conducting and documenting weekly inspections, providing oversight for all tasks associated with opening and closing the facility, observing and conducting daily operational duties, and scheduling personnel. The fitness program manager is responsible for developing fitness plans and overseeing fitness programs, acts as a representative to the Wing Health Promotion Working Group, and assigns fitness technicians to work with unit physical training leaders. The fitness program manager position is extremely valuable because it acts as a liaison between the fitness center and the Health and Wellness Center, or HAWC. They ensure the HAWC exercise physiologist provides education and training for the fitness staff and members on the fitness improvement program. Finally, the sports program manager is responsible for implementing sports programs, conducting and documenting weekly inspections of all sports equipment, fields, and facilities, and developing sports bylaws. Additionally, the Certified Fitness Specialist recognition is reserved for individuals who have completed the required basic and advanced fitness courses, worked as part of the Fitness and Sports Center staff for at least 1 year, and have submitted supporting documentation for the recognition. Basic training requirements include first aid, CPR and AED certification, equipment orientation, customer service, and the AETC Fitness Specialist course. Advanced training includes a fitness course in accordance with established Air Force fitness training standards as posted on the usafservices.com website in the Manager's Fitness section. Individuals coordinate their application through their FSS for consideration by the AFPC Services Fitness and Sports section. Programming standards address hours of operation and the type and quantity of fitness and sports programs offered. It is a requirement that fitness centers provide core fitness programs at no cost to their customers. These programs include, but are not limited to, step aerobics, group cycling, 5K runs, powerlifting competitions, equipment orientations, and fitness improvement programs. Providing core sports programs is another requirement for the fitness center. Sports directors determine which sports best meet the needs of their community. These core services are offered in accordance with AFI 34-266. Vending operations are drinks and snacks that are provided through vending machines or refrigerated display cases. Ultimately, the scope of this service is at the discretion of the installation commander. Fitness centers will also provide free daily use lockers. Equipment standards include the number and types of core fitness equipment as well as technical and capability specifications for the cardiovascular and strength conditioning equipment. Annually, installations should budget for a 20% replacement of fitness equipment. To minimize downtime and maintain the goal for cardiovascular equipment availability at 95%, installations must implement an effective equipment maintenance program. It is the fitness and sports manager's responsibility to ensure the facility and programs meet all safety requirements. The medical emergency plan is a key element and establishes the foundation for the safety program. It is also important for the fitness staff to be trained on all emergency response procedures. During this presentation, I covered the fitness and sports overall role in mission readiness, various funding categories associated with fitness and sports centers, the DOD MWR Standards, fitness and sports center staff duties and responsibilities, programming and equipment standards, and safety requirements. This concludes the fitness and sports program overview. Should you have any questions, please contact our office through the contact information provided.